What's up, guys? This is Jay from Jay's Online Garage, and today we doing another video on a 2007 Dodge Caliber 2.4 liter engine. And I was doing the radiator on this thing and I couldn't find any videos, so I decided I'll just do one to just show everyone that you can do this radiator replacement without taking out the condenser and the refrigerant. What I did was just loosened up the bottom two condenser bolts, and then I freed up this little contraption with the 10mm here, and then I literally had to take the fans out first, which these fans are held in to this little slot on the radiator here. So all I had to do was like pry up a little bit with my thumb, or you can use a screwdriver just to get it out. And once you get those fans out of the slot, you just bring it out this way first, because this way is, kind of in the way here. So you bring up this way and you do the radiator the same way. And when I go back in, I'm gonna just drop the radiator in this way. And then I'll put this fans in secondary. But you can do this job without taking the AC out. And I just proved that. Once again, this is a 2.4 liter engine Dodge Caliber. And this is Jay coming back at you with another vid. Hope it helps somebody. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.